Venom F5-M. This is the manual gearbox version of the M5. It's lovely to see some manufacturers still developing and embracing the manual gearbox. Top speed of this car, Harry. Are you sitting down? Yes, you are, because I can see you. But 311 miles an hour.
Alex, a thing with this batch is you've always got a passenger, but every time I see you come up, your passenger is smiling from ear to ear.
Yeah, well, I mean, sometimes when you put it into second gear, you think I'm the passenger for the moment, but it's, oh, wow, this thing's just awesome. This thing's just awesome. Manual transmission, 2031 horsepower. And as a man that's occasionally raced a car with 31 horsepower, I try to remember the 31. It's the most powerful car I've ever driven with an H-pattern transmission. So.
Uh-oh, little American horsepower, baby.